Hey guys, again welcome back to my channel Himani Physics Tutorials. Guys, we were doing modern physics of class 12th. We have completed few topics on that, and now we are going to understand the numerical parts of that topics. So in previous video we have done a numerical on alpha scattering experiment done by Giger and Marsden. So in this now in this question, which is in your screen, you can see that we have to calculate the impact parameter. It is a topic related to that alpha particle scattering experiment. So in that we have two topics that were, first was distance of closest approach, and that another topic, impact parameter. So this question is based on impact parameter. So what question says, calculate the impact parameter of a 5 mega electron volt particle scattered by 90° when it approaches a gold nucleus. All right, we just have to calculate what? We have to calculate the impact parameter. That is, the formula of impact parameter is this one. That is denoted by B is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Z E square cot theta by 2 divided by kinetic energy of that alpha particle. Okay, so what we have given in the question, we are given kinetic energy, that is 5 mega electron volt. Okay, how we knew that this is the kinetic energy given? So simple answer is from the SI unit of this magnitude 5. So SI unit is mega electron volt, and I have told you earlier that the energy unit in nuclear physics is most of the time denoted by mega electron volt, and we have to convert that mega electron volt unit to the joule. So for solving, we converted kinetic energy is equals to 5 mega electron volt, which is equals to 5 into 10 to the power 6. Mega unit is 6 and electron volt, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. So this is the correct way to solve the question in terms of joule. So we have converted and we got kinetic energy is equals to 8.0 into 10 to the power minus 13 joule. So this is the final kinetic energy which we gonna use in our formula. And what we have given the scattering angle, that is theta is equals to 90°. Now we have to calculate impact parameter, that is B. We are going to put all these values in our formula, which is this. So B we have to calculate. So we are putting all the values in equation this formula. So what is the value of K? That is dielectric constant 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. The value of this is equals to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into Z here for gold. In alpha particle, as we have considered alpha scattering for gold foil, so we are writing the atomic number of gold, that is 79. Z is equals to 79. This is for gold nuclei, into e to the power 2, that is e square. The value of e we know that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 square cot theta by 2, that is cot 90 by 2 divided by kinetic energy. And kinetic energy we have calculated so far was 8.0 into 10 to the power minus 13. Now we are going to solve it. So you can solve it by yourself, and the final answer which we are getting is B is equals to 2.27 into 10 to the power minus 14 meter. Its unit is meter, as it is the distance also. Okay, it is a perpendicular distance from the axis of nuclear axis. Okay, nuclear axis से जो perpendicular distance होती है, हमने पढ़ा था impact parameter क्या होता है. अगर आपको इसको डिटेल में जानना है तो आप मेरी previous videos देख सकते हैं. Bye bye, take care. In next video we are going to solve another numerical.